Hi, in front of me is Nokia 8.3 and today I would like to show you how you can use sound recorder on this device. Firstly, open Play Store and type sound recorder. Then download one of these apps, for example that one. Open it, click Allow and tap on the red button to start your recording. You can end it by clicking at the same button. Tap on the white area to name your recording and click OK. Then choose left button, close the nut and locate list of all of your recordings. If you want to delete one of your records, click at the bin icon at the top right corner, select recording that you want to get rid of and click delete, then OK. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!